Ever wondered what makes diesel generators so reliable? And why they're different from a road-going diesel engine? First, diesel generators are built to run at a constant speed and load, which reduces wear and ensures smooth, efficient operation. Unlike cars, they use simpler control systems that focus purely on stable power delivery, not emissions or speed changes. These machines have oversized cooling systems designed for non-stop use, no reliance on airflow from movement like vehicles. Mounted on vibration dampening bases, diesel generators stay still and stable, avoiding the mechanical strain of road travel. And finally, they're built for the long haul, with heavy-duty parts rated for thousands of hours of continuous runtime. That's what makes diesel generators incredibly reliable, built for one job and built to last.